How to the fixing the issue the 9mm the web browser issues problem. The website open but any error problem. The problem the solution update this video to watching. Open the Chrome browsers and different browser button showing the height and the issues copyright. Take the checkings 9mm the officially the workings but any checking the official website it 9mm TV's website has been not working. The 9mm has the website it has the reloadings and the issues problems. Web server is down is issues problems. The first step the mobile devices has the Chrome browser opens. The first of all updated the Play Store opens and search the Chrome browser has been updated now and different browser but all browser has been updated now taken by update completed update now updated is starting. Please wait the update the completed. Please like these videos and downloading the completed. The Chrome browser updated and second step open the Chrome browsers. Two step three dot clicks and history selected and all history the claims last and full lifetimes and lifetime simulate and for weekends but any all time selected all history the claim now